Hi guys, you're all welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Favoucic, and on my channel I talk about remote work opportunities, digital skills, online money opportunities, investment, anything money is what this channel is all about. So today I want to talk to us about something I feel is very, very important, especially for some of us that are still living in Nigeria, at least for the time being. I know I know many of you are planning to jackpot this year. But before we jackpot, I hope that this video will help us achieve one or two things before we leave the country, or even for those who are still living in the country with no plans to jackpot, this video will be very, very helpful to you. So I'm going to be talking to us about how we can invest our money, our Naira, in US dollars. Now, with the Naira fluctuating and the dollar being a stable currency for global trade, protecting our savings in USD has never been more crucial than now. Let's look back at how much Naira was to the dollars in January of 2024 and how much it is today. You can see the huge difference. Now imagine you had made some investments in January of 2024, and imagine how much you would have been making, or let me not say investment, let me say savings. Imagine how much you would have made by the end of 2024, because you saw how the Naira fell so badly, right? So now in this video, I will take us through 4 profitable platforms, or let me say 5 platforms that we can easily convert our Naira and invest it in dollars. So stick around guys, because I will share some tips at the end on how to maximize your returns while minimizing the risk involved. So first up, I have Cowrywise. Cowrywise is a popular fintech app in Nigeria. Everybody knows it. They offer USD mutual funds, which are essential investment funds nominated in the US dollars. Now, this is why I think Cowrywise is great. You can start with as little as $10. The funds are managed by professionals, so you do not have to worry about the market trends or anything. They also have offices in some states in Nigeria, like Abuja, Lagos. I don't know about other states, but I'm sure they have offices in other states. So you can always walk in and make your inquiries whenever possible. And their app is also user-friendly and perfect for beginners looking for long-term growth. I remember I first knew about Cowrywise in 2021, and it's so unfortunate that I did not take it serious then. Then I was working as a journalist, and I was working as a business reporter. So I was covering business events, business stories, any event that had to do with money, finance. I was covering the CBN, finance, Ministry of Finance, and all of that. And I covered one event where I met someone from Cowrywise. I think I got the guy's number, but I didn't just follow up. My plan was to reach out to the guy, get him to explain these investments for me on their platform. And I just did not take it serious at that time. Now imagine if I had taken it serious at 2021. You can imagine where I would have been today, 2025. So guys, it is never too late to start something, okay? It is never too late to start up something. You can start today and enjoy the benefits in the next 2-3 years to come. So with Cowrywise, your Naira can be converted to dollars at the prevailing exchange rate, and your investment grows in US dollars. So this is a perfect hedge against inflation. And apart from the returns on investment you get, you also make more money from the depreciating Naira value. So I'm here with my laptop. I'll just quickly take us through the steps on how we can get started. So first you need to do is to create your account. Now after creating your account, you will see the goals you need to select, right? There's the goal to save and the goal to invest. So make sure you select investment, depending on whichever one you want to do. Savings is good, investment is also good. Then I'll select USD mutual funds. After selecting USD mutual funds, you can see all the display of all the investment types available. So you can just select any of the investment types that you want to invest in. But before you do all of that, you need to first of all just go back, click home, and go back to the home. Before you do all of that, you have to make sure that there is money in your account first. So this is the dashboard. All you need to do is come to payments. And click. Once you click on payments, you are going to see an opportunity to link any of your Nigerian bank accounts. The essence of linking this bank account is to enable you to deposit money and also withdraw your money when you want to withdraw. So you can click on Nigerian bank, and then you click on let's go. Now you just add your recipient account number and everything, put all the details. You see, Naira bank account. Sorry, I keep taking this back. I'm actually doing a voiceover on it. Only add personal bank account linked to your BVN, make deposit with your bank, and also withdraw with your bank. Yeah, so I actually came back here so that because I wanted us to read the instructions on this page. So you can just click on let's go, and then here you put your account number and bank, then you add your BVN. Everything is safe on this platform. There's nothing to worry about. As you can see, I've already linked my Access Bank here. So once you do that, you can now come to your portfolio. You can click on invest. You see invest, you see save. Whichever one you want to do, you just come and you save for whatever purpose you want to save. You can add cash, you can add 50,000 naira here, you can add 20,000 naira here. Just add any money and then save towards is a particular goal. And the more you save, the more the interest on your returns. So you are not just making money from interest, you are also making money from the value of the naira to the dollar. However it grows, you are also making more money from that. But please, I would advise us to make our research, okay? Make our research about the investment type to do. You can walk into their offices if you're in Lagos or Abuja or any state where you think they have their office. I'm not a broker or a financial advisor. I am just bringing us the opportunity. I'm just bringing the opportunity to our knowledge. So I'll also make my own inquiries before I invest. And then I'm going to make an updated video to give you guys my updates as I go along. Now, the second platform I know that allows you to invest in dollars, or let me say save in dollars, because this platform doesn't really do investment like other platforms I'll be talking about, but you can save your money in dollars, and this platform is called Piggyvest. Now, Piggyvest offers a dollar savings plan where your Naira is converted into USD. This one is slightly different from the other ones I will talk about. Savings is quite different from stocks or shares. Stocks or shares are a long-term plan that allows us to own part of the company, while savings is just to help us grow our dollars, our money over a specific period of time. So Piggyvest allows you to save and grow your money in dollars. Even Cowrywise too allows you to save. There are two options in the Cowrywise platform: save and invest. So you can do any. As long as you are doing it in USD, then it is fine. Now, Piggyvest platform typically offers competitive interest rates on dollar savings, and your money is held in foreign currency, helping you to protect it from Naira devaluation. Now, here's what you should know about Piggyvest savings. The minimum deposit for Piggyvest savings, you can start saving in dollars with as little as $10, right? And $10 to Naira, I think, is 16,000 Naira as at the time of making this video. And then the platform offers attractive interest rates on dollar savings plan. And also the conversion fees, Piggyvest will convert your Naira into dollars at the prevailing exchange rate. So while Piggyvest doesn't really provide direct investment opportunities in dollar-denominated assets like stocks or mutual funds or EFTs, the dollar savings plan is also a very great option if you are looking to save in dollars and protect your funds. Let's say you have a long-term plan, maybe a plan to jackpot, or in fact, very, very important, like a plan to jackpot. It's very important to start saving your money in dollars now, because when the time to jackpot comes, you will not be looking for millions of Naira to process your jackpot, right? You will just go to your dollar savings and just get the money and just process your stuff. Very simple, very easy and faster. You won't be thinking about how much millions of Naira you have to look for, you have to get, right? So the best to do is to save ahead of future plans and save in the US dollars. So next on my list is Risevest. Risevest is another fantastic platform. Risevest allows you to invest your Naira in dollar-based assets like US real estate, stocks of top global companies, and fixed incomes. So the great thing about Risevest is they are easy to use app, very user-friendly, and they even provide detailed performance reports. Now, if you are looking for a mix of stability and high returns, then Risevest is your go-to platform. Now, moving on, we have Bambo. Bambo is a platform that gives you direct access to the US stock market. Yes, you can own shares of global giants like Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and even your favorite football clubs, all from the comfort of your home and with the tap of the app. Why Bamboo, or why do I choose Bamboo to talk about? There is no minimum deposit that is required to start. You can start with any amount, and it allows you to trade and invest in US dollars. And you can also withdraw your funds in US dollars. Now, Bamboo is perfect for those who want more control over their investments and are ready to explore the stock market. You need to learn more about all of this. You need to explore, and that's it. So last but not the least is Chika. Chika also provides access to dollar-based investments. Similar to Bamboo, you can trade in global stocks, EFTs, and bonds. You can browse more about this, research more about this. And what makes Chika unique is their regulatory compliance. They are SEC licensed, which adds an extra layer of trust. They also offer fractional investing, meaning you can own a piece of expensive stocks without breaking the bank. So there you have it, guys. These are 5 reliable platforms to help you invest your Naira in US dollars. I couldn't go through all the platforms because I didn't want this video to be very long, but you can always download their apps. Cowrywise for mutual funds, Piggyvest for savings in dollars, Risevest for diversified dollar assets, Bamboo for direct stock investment, and Chika for a mix of stocks and EFTs. You can learn more about stocks, shares, EFTs, and all of that. Now, remember, investing in USD is a smart way to protect your money and grow your wealth in these uncertain times in Nigeria. So let me know which of these platforms you would like to try. Drop it down in the comments below, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video so more people can find it, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Which of these platforms are you currently using, and how is your experience, or which of the platforms would you like to try out? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment, guys. So one tip I would like to give you all to help you maximize profits and minimize risk or loss is to stay informed. You need to seek out investment brokers, people that have more knowledge about this, that can explain to you the best thing to do, someone that's well informed also in the market. Now, also, you need to keep yourself updated on market trends, and do not panic during short-term market fluctuations. Just put the money there and forget about it. Look for money that's spare money. I call it spare money. Money that you wouldn't have need of in a short period of time, and use it and invest. So guys, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Let's become community. If you check the description link or the comment section, you'll see the link to join my Telegram channel, where I drop other updates, online money updates that maybe I came across the update and I can't make video about it immediately. I just drop the update in my Telegram channel. So click the link. You either see the link in the comment section or in the description. Click it and join the channel. You can also join my WhatsApp group, and let us share more ideas. If you have opportunities, share with me. If I have anyone, I'll come here and I'll share with you guys, and together we will achieve success in this year 2025. All right, guys, thank you all for listening and watching, and see you all in my next YouTube video.